Hello, everybody. I'm Lorelei Molinari, and I started a group called Lorelei Molinari's Home of Mental Health Info and Support Groups. It started out after I had a bad experience in the hospital and not having anybody to support me. I'm neurodivergent, and I've raised 3 neurodivergent adults that are now in their 30s. So I have a BA in psychology and 30 years with autism and its comorbid cousins. And I came out of the hospital not being able to speak. And I thought, how many people in the community don't have a support system? And I wanted to be somebody's support system. Many people get isolated from their families because they have mental health challenges. And they end up out on the streets a lot of times. They end up being hospitalized for psychiatric conditions. And a lot of times they end up in jail because they do something wrong. And I don't want that happening to people just because they can't have their voices heard. So I started my group. It's never been a business per se. It's been a calling that's as close to a business as it is. But we started out just a small group on Meetup at the beginning of 2024, and we have grown into our own website, and we now have serviced in the manner of one-on-one or in a support group at least one time 298 people. Now, how do I support them? Via the computer and Zoom. And I have group meetings and appointments with people, and we talk about what's going on in their lives. Sometimes they just want to vent, and that is fine. Most of the times they just want their voice and what's going on in their life to be known to somebody. And if they need support that I can't give them, I refer them. And if I think that they need a doctor's help, I encourage them strongly. And they always have a place to check in with me. Thus, I've created an online community that is connecting the whole world, because anywhere they speak English and anywhere there's an internet connection, they have a friend that will support them and listen to them. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day.